when the horizon becomes the circle, when the Earth becomes a star and reminiscence, when orbital service comes to profession and the target is less than a point. Ability to find, learn and get closer and dock should be solid. "27 years of research, testing and production results. More than 150 autonomous and automatic docking in orbit. When the responsibility is unlimited and indispensable. ISS, Soyuz, Progress, KURS. KURS is the only onboard radio system in the world which is autonomous, automatically provides mutual search and identification of the spacecraft, measurement of the relative motion, data transmission to the control system of the spacecraft, the automatic approaching and, if necessary, manually. Controlled convergence of spacecraft is the most important component of the orbital service that provides the following operations. The process of search and convergence from launch to docking with the space station goes on for 2 days. This occurs as follows. At the initial orbit point M0, spacecraft performs 2 maneuvers, point M1, M2, and goes to a definite phase of convergence. At the point M3, trajectory is corrected. The maximum range of mutual search of space objects is 400 kilometers. This occurs through the antennas of active and passive objects. At the point M4, a distance of 200 kilometers, board system orders the interception. Onwards, system KURS takes command functions. The point M5, correction maneuver. At the points M6, M8, impulse maneuvers occur for precise lowering of speed. At this time, the equipment of KURS system measures the viewing angles and orientation of objects, angular and radial velocity and distance needed to correct the trajectory of the space object. According to Signal Zone 5, equipment goes into auto-tracking, the point M7. From a distance of 400 meters, the equipment goes into preparation for docking, the point M8. To set the spacecraft on the axis of the port dock station, the object circles over the station and begins to move up to the intersection with the line of the docking. Object A enters the final approach, then berthing and docking. Onboard KURS radio system consists of 2 parts, an active part placed on the spacecraft engaged on basic approaching maneuvers, and a passive one installed on another space object of the space station. The KURS system has dual redundant socket, which is provided with 2 equivalent halves. Searching and tracking of 2 objects in a hemisphere of space is provided with transceiver antenna. Narrowly focused dual-mode antenna is used to measure convergence of spacecraft. KURS system, part of the Global Sourcing Experience, Convergence and Success. Elmis Company. Make the experience available to you in order to correct the orbit, to refuel in space, for space construction, for the destruction of trash, for manned space flights, for the new challenges of orbital service. Proven and new solutions and system elements. Laser speedometer LDS measuring distance between the spacecraft in near areas of convergence from 100 to 2 meters. The combined 3-component fluxgate magnetometer for the orientation of satellites is created for orientating of spacecrafts. LEMI 16M is unique in the world orientation magnetometer with a stable angle between the magnetic and mechanical axes, regardless of the location in the spacecraft. The equipment of Signal is used for visual detection of descent module. every 5 seconds emits pulses of light that are visible to the 20-kilometer distance in the night and day and in condition of reduced visibility.